Jake Boyd here with Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon, talking to you today about this 2020 Jayco 287 BHSW. That is a 28-foot and 7-inch floor plan for a bunkhouse with a slide, and it's a Rocky Mountain edition. So there's some things about the Rocky Mountain edition that don't come in a normal Jayco, and one of them is bigger tanks, higher clearance, burlier axles, and burlier tires. So this is something that's going to host quite a bit more people than something smaller, and a comparable, as well as host more than a comparable bunkhouse trailer, and be able to keep you out there longer with the extra fresh water as well. So just to start off, we have a really big pass-through storage right off the front that goes all the way through. That's also accessible from underneath the bed, and I'll show you that in just a moment here as well. Outside, an enormous awning. As you might notice here, there's two entrances, and one of these entrances goes directly onto the bathroom. So when you have the bunks and you have kids coming along, no need for having them to tromp through the entire trailer. You can just enter straight into that second door. This main door goes straight into your main living space. And outside still, with that big awning, you have a mount for your TV on the side, as well as all your plugins for your TV. And you have your speakers, outdoor speakers, which can be played from inside the zonal. You can play in the bedroom, you can play in the main room, you can play outside. You can kind of pick and choose where that kind of sound goes. Let's head inside and see what this one is all about. It's a really great entrance here, especially with a little boot box here that you can actually use as a bench to take off your shoes, a nice coat rack. It's also standing right next to your media center. Media center, it's got a Furrion sound system here. It's castable, so you can cast to it and Bluetooth to it from your phone, your laptop, your iPad. It's really easy to do, and you can really kind of take and play whatever you need. A ton of storage up top, all around. That's a tri-fold couch. This folds out into a nice double bed as well. A great countertop space here with a double basin sink and some stellar hardware for your sink as well. And before we get too far into the trailer, I'm going to show you the bedroom up here. We have a pocket door that is closing off your bedroom from your main space. And in the bedroom, your hanging closets on both sides of the bed, a TV mount, and like I said, you have the access to underneath that pass-through storage, and a ton of storage, really easy access to handle. It's not going to get away from you, especially with those gasket hinges, so you don't have to wrestle with it when you're trying to get something. As we head into the main room here, enormous U-shaped dinette can accommodate quite a bit of people. Converts into another bed if you need it to. Storage under both sides as well. And you have your double bed over double bed for your bunk sleeping. Plus, you have a nice slide out ladder there. There's lights on both sides, and you also have your plugins too that are super accessible. And what also comes with this having a bunkhouse is you get additional hanging storage, drawers, and then pantry storage to boot. A ton, and it's super deep. It's an arm's length deep all the way to the wall there. A big fridge as well to accommodate the extra people you're gonna be taking along and hosting. And this all goes right back to that bathroom. The bathroom is really big too. You have a really deep square shower. Quite a bit of space in here, so you don't have to throw elbows at the walls when you're showering. Don't have to throw elbows at the walls when you're drying off. And you have super easy access in and out from camp. You don't have to disturb anyone if they're going to sleep, or if you fall asleep earlier than some of the people who would be sleeping in the bunks. If you have any questions about this rig or any other rig on lot, stop on by and say hello, or give me a call, 773-655-7190. Thanks. My name is Jake.